I like to call this Sleepy Students. One game with a lot of variety. You just tell the students to go to sleep. And then you erase something off the whiteboard. Then you yell, "Wake up!" And then the students will need to identify the missing item. And if they answer correctly or answer first, give them a star. Or however you want to reward them. For example, you can use ordinal numbers to practice with. Okay, they'll go to sleep. You erase a number and tell them to wake up, and the first student will say, "Oh, fourth is missing," or seventh is missing, etc. Another example is you can use it with calendars, the orders of the calendars, the 12 months. So you erase one of the months, they wake up and they'll say February is missing, or July is missing, or November's missing. You can even use this for advanced level students. For this one, you'll have to prepare a list. So for example, I'll go ahead and tell the students to go to sleep, and then I'll quickly write the sentence on the whiteboard. And when I say wake up, they'll just have to point out what's wrong with the grammar, or maybe a word has the wrong spelling. Don't forget to follow, and we'll have more games weekly. Thanks again for watching.